kereta?
Yellow color, please.
Yellow color, please. Okay. Okay, read, please. Let's start.
Here comes the circus.
Here comes the circus. 2 boxes. Next.
Hooray! The circus is in town.
Hooray! The circus is in town. Good job. Another 2 boxes. Next.
Alice and Nancy are at the circus.
Alice and Nancy are at the circus. Another 2 boxes. Next.
Alice likes the clowns with painted faces.
Alice likes the clowns with painted faces. 2 boxes. Next.
Nancy likes the horses facing in a circle.
Nancy likes horses racing in a circle. Good job. Another 2 boxes. Okay, next one.
In the center of the circus ring stands a man in a top hat.
In the center of the circus ring stands a man in a top hat. Good job. Another 2 boxes. Alright, finish.